What's good, fam? Yeah, it's about to be an awesome day. Go. Holy cow, look at this toad, man. So I'm headed to Marine Base Quantico. Have this lake out there, it's called Smith Lake, that produce some absolute bonkers sized largemouth. Well, Tony seems to catch the bonkers sized largemouth. We're gonna see if I can do that today. The name of the game is finesse fishing. I'm gonna throw Ned rigs. I'm gonna rig up some drop shots, which kind of sucks because I'm utilizing one of my spinning rods right now for lightweight crankbait jigs that I can toss way out there and retrieve as slowly as fast as I want, without having to worry about trying to get a bait caster where I needed to go. But I do have 4 bait casters. What I'm gonna do with those? Really deep stuff. Smith Lake can get out to 20 feet. So I got some DT, Rapala DT series. I got a DT10, a DT16. I even got a DT20. I'm probably gonna toss that just to see how it goes. Okay, rather than explain to you, I'll show it to you. Here's the lineup I have starting out with my first spinning rod. This is super light, shallow crankbait. I like the rattle on that one. That's on my Quantum Accuracy S3. This is my Lews Speed Stick Walmart Special. This guy is going to be dealing with, if I can show it to you, basically Ned rig. Then an assortment of Lews Baitcasters, lipless crankbait shad pattern, jointed red shad wrap by Repellent. Man, looks like I need to retie that. Also, here's my heavy stick, flipping and pitching, black and blue jig with crawl trailer, and then this is my super light line. I got an Abu Garcia Revo S6 on here. This is actually 10-pound fluorocarbon, rocking a 6 cents deep 7 to 12 crankbait. That's why I went with that light line. So there's my rig. Man, let's get this party started. Go. Holy cow, look at this toad, man. Come here, girl, come here. Don't let it go, don't let it go. Don't let it go. Oh, yes! Woo! Look at that thing, boy. Man, yes, I do have a scale. Gosh. Man, look at this toad. Oh my gosh, I'm shaking right now, dude. Holy cow.
Man, that is a beauty.
Yeah, dude. Oh man, I'm gonna have to.
You want to get more?
Dude, I am. Oh man.
Hey, did we find him?
Say again?
Did we find him?
You found him, brother.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. That is a beautiful fish.
Go, big girl. Go home, big girl. There she is. Man, that was beautiful. Uh-oh. All right, that's what we're gonna do. Stop you real quick. I'm gonna go with this deep crank orange bait I have. Trying to catch them coming up. Oh. Right outside this point. I need to get something out here to make some noise. Then again, maybe it don't. See some stuff at the bottom of the graph. Let's take a look. Let's take a look, guys. See, I'm not gonna see all this. Definitely is not a fish. I wonder if I can go backwards. All right, fam. It was a long and just very tough day. We got on when we first got here. Lipless crankbait, shad pattern, by Rapala. We got on the nice 4.5 pounder somewhere in there. I'll show you a picture of it. Yeah, we got on a nice 4.5 pounder. After that, nothing. We don't know. It heated up. We got up to 70 degrees. We have no clue where the fish were going, where they were hiding. We threw everything that we had, man. Everything. Crankbait, jerkbait, Texas rig, creature baits, man, chatterbaits. We didn't throw swim baits, but we did throw spinner baits. Matter of fact, I got to go figure out. I lost one in the tree. Yeah, so man, I am signing off. Thank you guys for joining me. We had a blast. We will do this again. Chances are it'll probably be for snakeheads as everything starts to heat up. But yeah, man, we out. Oh my gosh, this is the one good thing that happened. I found my spinnerbait. Oh, jeez. Now I don't want to plunge to my death, so I'm gonna put this phone down and see if I can't bring that puppy home.